lie, boy. I can't believe it's a recess pedal. I'm chowing my last proper meal, boy. Last proper meal. And in everything we have to thank God. Except for to Polunto underscore say welcome to another vlog. Then awude moms uthe makaceda kungidropha off lapha taxi rank ayingabe sengilala mangene taxi. Well, I'm one of those people that sleep in a taxi, so ngixolele bakwethu ukuthi ngingavlog. Nami ngiphapha sekuthiwa welcome to the Northwest Province. Sengithola sengifike ema-rest ngiyasho ukuthi I back to square one. I'm not complaining, but I know why. It's chai boys for me. No more proper meals. And one thing I have to say is thanks to abo moms abasicleanelayo la ema-rest. Mfethu ngithe mangifike iroom lami beli-clean. Asiyabonga abazali bethu. Mina zange ngimoshe nesikhathi mfethu ngivele ngabeka le ikhwama lapha. I won't lie guys, I didn't even unpack mfethu. I went to fetch my broela there. See one of the chill bros mfethu ngibakenayo la rest mfethu ngithola so ngathi avela sivaye mfethu ukubamba ama-fries nyana mfethu. Anaye vele bekasaqeda kufika lapha yana isengiyamxoxela ukuthi mfethu mangifike eJozi imagine mfethu I came across other girls dog I don't even know them and this other bro. They were just telling me how much they know my content, more especially the vlogs, and I should keep cooking. So hearing that from people that I don't know mfethu ngibonile ukuthi lo mshikashika wami enguzamayo mfethu ayishuthi uyabonakala mfethu uma ubona abantu engingabazi mfethu yabona semasifika ke lapha mfethu kwabanjwa wona ama-fries mfethu sabahamba ke nje nesinkwa yabo and then went back to rest. Tabe urobala mathe arifilile guys aphe nani ke robala ka recess wabona no it's back to square one mfethu. Lapha I'm even clueless nokuthi kwenzakalani manje siqala mara siyobona phambili mfethu uDecember uzanini mfethu siyophumula futhi awuyazi siqala ngomthandazo mfethu kusuka lapho kuyabulawa ke mfethu ke. Thank you so much guys for the love. Please make sure that you check out my YouTube channel, link is on my bio. As you can see we are chowing our fries in peace and we are enjoying mfethu yabona ikhola yikho ngaloku buza into eyiningi asinamali. Cheers bafethu, catch you on the next one. Thank you.